Hey, lovelies. So, I'm introducing to you a new airdrop project called Zoo. Now, this is an airdrop project that is what's your time, what's mining. Now, this is not a financial advice, but just me telling you that hey, why not take the chance? In the crypto world, you need to be ready to take a chance, like take the risks. And now, this airdrop project is from the X Empire group, like this is one of their projects, and I think it's worth mining. So if you're new to my vlog channel, my name is Susan, and this is where I share everything crypto trading for beginners, intermediate to advanced. I also share airdrop mining updates, either ongoing or new ones like this particular one. I also share my no-fail commercial business recipes on cakes, small chops, food trays, and the likes. I also share how to earn money on the side while waiting for that particular order or job or as a side hustle. So this is that channel you want to stay subscribed to because any legit thing that brings in money, we talk about it here. So this is Zoo. This is how it looks like. This is how the interface looks like. I need to reload this. And then yeah, this is how it looks like. So just like X Empire, they usually share video of the day. So this is the interface of Zoo. Now you can see that it's new, right? I just opened it. You can see that yeah, my balance here is showing zero. Yeah, it's showing zero. It's showing 500 rather. So if I click on this mark here, say this is the number of tokens you will get from the airdrop. Tokens per hour. Tokens are added automatically even when you are offline. So what you need to do is you buy new animals and level them up and you boost your hourly income to earn more zoo tokens. The level of your alliance also increases your hourly earnings. You can increase your hourly earnings by buying a boost. So that is what that option is all about. Then I'm going to click on this option here that shows 500. It says animal feed. This is the in-game currency. Complete quest and invite friends to earn more coins. Or you can buy them. So you can buy them with you can buy this animal feed with 8 stars, 69 stars, 299 stars, 529 stars. So this is Zoo. Now this is alliance. You can create an alliance or join an existing one. This alliance simply means some other project they call it clan, some other project they call it village, some other project they call it group or country. So just like that. So this particular one they call it alliance. So I'm going to create one now. I'm going to leave in the link in the description box for you to start mining Zoo, how to join and start mining Zoo, and also how to join our alliance community. Yes. So once you create one, you have to create it. You have to have this amount of feed. Let me go back. You have to have 100,000 feed before you can create one. Yes, and this is token per hour bonus they are going to earn. We're going to earn 5% of this according to the level. So that is it. Then these are the boosts. The boost, only one boost will work at a time. They don't stack. If you buy a second one, the one that lasts longer will remain active. The boost starts working immediately after purchase. So we have 50 feed. I have 500 feeds now. If I buy these 50 feeds, it means I'll be earning 5%. So and this boost only works like one at a time. So if you buy multiple boosts, it means until the first one that has more strength, that has more lasting hour finishes, the next one, the other ones or the multiple ones it bought are not going to work. So just buy one at a time. And this is it. You see, I just bought the one of 50. It says boost 5% working now. The next 23 hours, 59 minutes, I can come again to get more boosts. It's as simple as that. So that is how that interface looks like. Now, when we click on this airdrop, I'm walking through the process so that you can see how it is. When you click on this airdrop, like I usually say, the first thing you do when you start mining your airdrop project is to connect your wallet. So I'm going to connect my wallet now. You can connect any wallet, but I'll be connecting Keeper for easy access. Yes, I'll connect my Keeper, and I'm just going to connect here. Enter in my, okay, it's going to take me back, and you see my wallet is connected just like this. Yeah, it's connected. An airdrop is distribution of tokens to players. We all know that. These tokens will be traded on top exchanges, and you can either sell or hold them. We are currently in the mining phase where our players earn more zoo for the airdrop. The date and conditions for receiving the airdrop will be announced soon in our Telegram channel. So guys, as I keep updating the Telegram channel, or as I keep sharing an update, I'll be dropping it here, or I'll dropping it on my Telegram channel. So if you have not joined the Telegram channel up to this time, please do yourself a favor and join. If you are still watching my video to this point and have not yet subscribed, do me a big favor and subscribe to my Telegram channel, please. Subscribe to my vlog channel, please. And let's grow this community, please. Thank you. So that's all about the airdrop. Make sure you connect your wallet. It's very, very necessary. Then invite your friends here. Now, the next thing I usually say once you start an airdrop project, once you start farming an airdrop project, is to do your tax. So you come here and you click on tax. Then I need to reload this. My Telegram is misbehaving. So once you come here, you see daily reward, hurry and get. These are other tags. It says invite 3 friends, boost our channel, join our Telegram channel, video of the day, invite 5 friends. So the first thing I'm going to do is, oh my god, this is disturbing me. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to and I'll click on claim, yeah, to claim my daily reward, and I'll claim. So make sure that you always come around every day to claim your daily reward. Then it said invite 3 friends. I'll do that. Then video of the day, yes, video of the day. This video of the day, you'll be getting the tax solution in the group. So let me do the one for today. Video of the day for today is crocodile, and I'll click on check answer, and ladies and gents, we have it, 1,000 feet. Yeah. So you do that tax, yeah. Then you scroll. Make sure you always come around to the tax. So that's for the tax section. Then look at these 3 burger signs, yeah. You come to these 3 burger signs, and yeah, you can change your language if you're not English speaking like myself. Then you see your player ranking, yeah. Then you can also join the Telegram channel through this portion here. So let me click here again. And player rankings, you see, I just have zero zoo tokens. Why there are some people here that have gone so far in this? Oh my god. So don't be discouraged if you're just starting. Don't be discouraged, because this is a new airdrop project that you need to start farming ASAP. ASAP, guys, ASAP. I just tapped on, look at this place here. All these ties here, all these ties. You see them? I just tap on one of the ties. It brought this here. So I need to buy animals. So you buy this for 10 feet. This for 10 feet. Yes, this for 20 feet and all that. And this will give you five tokens per hour. This will give you 10 tokens per hour. So you get some. Let me buy this so that we'll have more. I'll click again here. You see here, it's building. I'll buy rabbits. I'll click here again. I'll buy squirrel. I'll click here. I'll buy flamingo. Okay, I'll repeat that again. So you just keep doing that so that you earn. And you see that now that I have some like animal houses or pets houses on this field, this is increase. I have something here in my tokens. You see, guys. You see, and if you watch this closely, you're going to see yes, you're going to see some coins going up here faintly. Yes, something like this. So I think that's that. Another thing is, you see, I've gone ahead to buy many animal houses in this zoo. This is like a zoo. I've got so many animal cages and all that. So that's it. Once you click on any of it, you can upgrade it. So this is like their own cards. You know, some games will have cards where you can upgrade your card. So this one is just like their own cards. So if I click on this particular one, this turtle, I can upgrade it to level 3. To level 3. Sorry, I need to refresh or reload this page again. I'm feeling that this is peculiar to my own Telegram app, I guess. So on this level up, I'll just click here to level up to level 3. I've leveled up to level 2. Let me level up to level 3. So I can go again and pick another animal house or cage, and I'll level it up to, see, I'm leveling it up to level 3. Just see here. So this is like their own cards level up. The more you level up, the more your profits per hour increases. I think this is fun. I like it. So if you want to mine the zoo, just join by the link in the description box or in my first pinned comment. Also join the Telegram channel, which is for your own benefit. That's all for me for now. See you in another subsequent video. Bye.